In production, we are allocating actually integrator per bay per system. The Smart Operation Center actually allow us to see exactly the status of each system and to know how to allocate resources per need. On top of that, the project allows us to connect by remote from anywhere in the world. By that, the productivity of our work is much higher and the efficiency is much better. Bynet was providing us from day one very high technical data and knowledge and solution that we were very delighted to get. This was from the stage of setting up the system through the changes that we have provided. We felt like working with a partner, and this is why we selected Bynet, and I think the results can justify it. The solution is a solution based on KVM that actually allows us to reflect 18 different bays all together in our control room. We have set camera per bay, and so we see the status of the system and the video of the system. And we have also a bidirectional audio connection, so we can communicate with anyone in the integration flow. On top of that, there are 10 channels for remote connection from anywhere in the world to do the same work as done in the integration flow. Smart Operation Center is actually a project that provides opportunity for worldwide collaboration between Phillips and other sites like Soju or Pest, and also can provide a solution to support service and support customers in hospitals. So actually the future here is much greater and much wider than what we see today.